Right, hello, we're back at the farm. We haven't been in a while, have we?
No, I think last year was the last time we were here.
Right, so it's... Am I putting the video in the middle or not?
What video?
The entrance thing.
Don't know.
Well, if I am, well, it's time to go crackers.
Sounds like you.
I was going to say sounds like you, just later.
It does sound like you.
It's not very sure. That's definitely you. Flops down like you, though.
No.
Tortoise in here somewhere.
Tortoise is there.
You sure that's the tortoise or just a rock? Yeah. This would be the point where Sharon says, "You look like our guinea pig."
What?
I said this would be the time where you start pointing out which one looks most like your guinea pig.
None of them?
Does that remind you of Ben?
Yeah.
You could say that one's like light a logie.
It is. That one's just gone splat in the middle. Scruffy.
Yeah. To be fair, if we sort the back bedroom out, I might do it.
They're cute. You can buy them, get some on.
You're getting the jollies.
You're a rat.
Yeah.
That one at the top's cute. There's one in there.
Alright. Well, I did get you the answer instead.
I know. I can't give you away. I'll give you a full patrol. You're just cute.
To be honest, I could pop a Grange.
Did you like that?
Yeah, I might be able to reach just. You might as well, my hands are already soggy. It's probably all one of her favourite bits about this farm, the girl.
It is. They're cute.
You can feed them.
What else is all the way over there?
Well, I do like this farm. It's only 10 minutes from where we live anyway. About 15 minutes. From Colby New. We live in central Middlesbrough. Well, it's pretty much all Middlesbrough now, isn't it? Horses are happy grazing, so they can't be bothered with us.
The bar is
Hello. Nice, it's the ice slowly, what's the pull?
Okay. You will fight your opponent. Put your hand flat. You won't fight your opponent.
Before you all say it's funny looking chickens, I know the peacocks. Chickens are here somewhere. What?
Firebush.
They're attacked by a bush.
I see a chicken.
Yeah, there's a chicken.
There you go. Oh, I see you. There's a few crushed out in the middle.
Mixed with peacock.
Yeah. one's just gone flat on the floor.
What are you saying? It's nearly spatchcocked itself.
Yeah. Look at the brown one, that's what I'm talking about.
That's what I'm on about. Bet if you could, you wouldn't mind some chickens.
Give it a go.
Oh, I think we've got enough animals in the house and we only live in a terraced house.
Do you think somebody's chucked the ball over?
Aye. The cows are over there.
Just chilling.
Just chill, sunbathing. Kinda puts that theory to bed, doesn't it?
Yeah.
If a cow's lying down, it's gonna rain. Especially when like half of the lying down, and you got the other half over there standing up. These are the ones you have to be careful at because they'll spit at you.
Yeah, these are llamas and the alpacas.
Alpaca. Llamas, I think.
Well, fuck the same to me.
I think both either spit at you, so.
It's a wallaby.
Ah, it's a wallaby.
What on earth have you done to your ear?
What on earth's done to do?
He's got loads of bits missing out of his ear.
Might have had a fire.
Oh. He's coming to have a fight with him. There's a white one in the shed.
I know. Yeah, there's a white one in there. There's another white one in there. In that one.
the Apple Baby sheep is? Because it's a big sheepy. Can that pig even see?
I think so, yeah. I think so, yeah. But you know, pigs were mud, they're in their element. Right, I'll just to also put out there, we'll tell you how much it is to get in and how much the feed bags are.
Well, it was £11.80 when we first came, but we did buy one food bag that was £1, so it's £10.80 for 2 adults. Then, because we've had it all to the goats and we wanted to feed the sheep, he went back and bought another 2 bags of food just to feed the sheep. We've been here about 2 hours.
Yeah. And Polly, we know you want Dan and Daisy. Probably. Yeah. So, if you want them, just let us know sometime, and next time we're here, we'll probably get you.
It's the mascot, it's a boy and a girl rabbit.
Yeah. You've seen them, you know Sharon's put photos on about us. Right, that's it for Newham Grange farm. We've always enjoyed it. I know Sharon always enjoys it.
Yeah.
Who's your favourite? Probably the goat still.
No, them sheep today.
Yeah, the sheep, yeah.
We have to go and spend an extra £2.
Right, so please like, comment, subscribe to Theme Park Crackers. You can find us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. So get out of them theme parks, zoos, fun fairs and anything else. But don't go too crackers. Right, we'll see you at the next one. Right, bye.